I'm Carl Anthony, Managing Editor of AutoVision News, and this is AutoSens Insights. We're speaking today with Sunny Lee, the Chief Operating Officer of Stradvision. And Sunny, welcome to the program today.
Hi, Carl. Thank you for having me today.
So tell us a little bit about Stradvision. Give us an overview of the company.
Stradvision is a software company that employs a deep learning-based perception technology for advanced driver assistance system. The company is co-headquartered in South Korea and San Jose, California. Since Stradvision's inception in 2014, we have partnered with leading global automakers in Germany, China, Japan, and Korea. And by 2027, we are expecting almost 9 million vehicles to be deployed on the road with our software licenses. Our flagship software is SVNet.
So that's an excellent segue into the next question I wanted to ask you, Sunny. I know you have been in the news quite a bit lately. So tell us a little bit about SVNet. What is SVNet?
So Stradvision's SVNet is a hardware-optimized software using camera sensors that enables ADAS features such as active cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic parking assist to be more precise and reliable than other solutions on the market. SVNet allows vehicles to detect and identify objects accurately, such as other vehicles, lanes, pedestrians, animals, free space, traffic signs, and lights, even in harsh weather conditions or poor lighting. To understand the surrounding information, SVNet's camera and deep learning-based capabilities working seamlessly with other sensors, such as LiDAR and radar, to process collected road data with a high speed and accuracy.
So Sunny, with all of that in mind, tell us how Stradvision competes in the market. What helps you stand out as a company versus others who are in this same space?
We aim to be the first deep learning-based software provider fully compatible with automotive safety integrity level B for functional safety. This will usher in an era where European and other OEMs fully utilize this cutting-edge technology for mass production. We do a lot of fine-tuning and also in-depth evaluations to deliver algorithm in almost 100% reliability. ADAS should work even if the camera lenses are blocked by dust or droplets or even flies. Stradvision is at the forefront of camera-based perception with its deep learning-based perception technology, meeting requirements for diverse range of customers, even within the lightweight chip environment. Through the world's first successful demonstration of deep learning-based perception on Texas Instruments TDA2X at Consumer Electronics Show 2018, Stradvision disproved the industry's preconceptions that lightweight embedded hardware is inadequate to perform deep learning-based perception with high accuracy. The company has more than 170 patents on the core aspects of deep learning, perception, and embedded technology. With these IPs, Stradvision's engineers devised a way for SVNet to be up to 200 times smaller than other perception networks, while still remaining highly compatible with any hardware and powerful enough to accurately detect objects by way of dense and powerful deep neural network. Stradvision's technical direction is the best way for ADAS technology to be deployed in the mass market and speed up the advent of fully autonomous vehicles. NCAP and the US Moving Forward Act will mandate ADAS functions, but the average consumer will expect the vehicle price to stay more or less the same. Automakers are already delivering ADAS in their new line of vehicles, but the bottom line is getting tighter each year with an increase of technical, legal, and safety requirements. This is a common pain point for automakers, and this is where Stradvision comes in. Compared with other players, Stradvision's SVNet software is compact, requires dramatically less memory capacity to run, and also consumes much less electricity. It can also be customized for any hardware system thanks to Stradvision's patent and cutting-edge deep neural network enabled software. I believe the new algorithms for surround view monitor or e-mirror systems will bring Stradvision more business opportunities rapidly, as we are already talking to multiple automotive tier 1s and OEMs about ADAS of their next generation vehicle model.
Sunny, as we've been talking, a few things come to mind. So we've been talking about mass production. We've been talking about how your customers have these certain pain points. And with all of that in mind, Stradvision has been in the news recently for a major production announcement, for a milestone announcement for your company. The C75 Plus SUV in China is going to be using SVNet. Tell us about that announcement and tell us what's happening there.
Stradvision teamed up with Chungchi Electronic to power advanced road safety features in auto manufacturer Chang'an Automobile's futuristic CS75 Plus SV, which is under production in China since 2019. This production deal marks a major milestone for Stradvision. It's the first time that its software was deployed with a surround view monitor on a mass scale. SVM is a system that places at least four cameras around the vehicle for a panoramic view of surrounding environment. The addition of SVNet will supplement the CS75 Plus with advanced features such as auto parking assistance and low-speed automatic emergency braking. This combination of technology offers drivers cutting-edge combination of road safety technology. On top of the SUV vehicle in China, there are 4 more vehicle models that are already in the market or will be in the market running SVNet in the vehicles. I believe starting with the sedan coming next year by a prestigious German brand, Stradvision will pave the way of ADAS deployment to more volume models. Partnering with the Korean automotive tier 1 and Renaissance, Stradvision could implement our SVNet on the more affordable ARCA chipsets, reducing the material cost by far. We worked really hard together not to compromise the performance or safety by getting certified with Automotive Spice capability level 2. I'm very proud of that. Stradvision has a global presence in the US, Germany, China, Japan, and Korea, and we work with automotive partners everywhere. In 2019, our revenue was around $5 million, and in the first half of this year, 2020, we have over $50 million of order intake.
And that is something certainly, Sunny, to celebrate and to be proud of. And so with everything, again, that we've talked about, these, the increase in revenue, the production milestones, tell us, what future goals do you have for the company going forward?
Our focus this year is to complete the mass production projects to run SVNet on almost 9 million vehicles worldwide from level 2 to level 4 ADAS applications. Even during the global pandemic, we found that efforts to bring AI technology to vehicles for safer and more convenient driving experiences did not stall or get delayed. Stradvision is still forging ahead with our tier 1 and OEM partners. Interesting areas for Stradvision to explore include the prediction of vehicles or pedestrians' behavior. Through analyzing serial image frames from camera sensors, you can anticipate what the next frame might look like, and this technology will be used to predict abnormal situations on the road. Data is also an area that Stradvision cares a lot as a deep learning-based software company that pushes boundaries. We are already equipped with automatic labeling tool, which makes 8 times faster the labeling work, and plan to move forward to the direction where the network can learn from the real-time data, automatically selecting more relevant data to edge cases than train the deep neural network itself. And as the number of cameras inside and outside the vehicles increases, it is more important to make sure these cameras work well together while exchanging data via a 5G network or processing data on its own on the edge. There are various government-led efforts for V2X, meaning vehicle to everything, around the world, and especially in China. Stradvision is actively participating in those efforts in several countries. We aim to be remembered as the innovator that unified the deep learning AI technology with camera sensors and brought it to the automotive and transportation industry.
You know, Sunny, I've enjoyed our conversation today. Before we close our interview, is there anything you'd like to add? Is there anything that we've missed or anything that you would like to summarize again one more time for our viewers?
Stradvision's mission is to bring deep learning-based vision technology to everyone for day-to-day driving. While sensors are ready for that in terms of maturity and cost effectiveness, algorithms and software are still trying to catch up. We believe that by using camera sensors, vehicles can perceive the road environment just as human drivers do. And this will assist human drivers in creating a safer driving experience. While most people believe that the general use of fully autonomous vehicles is far in the future, everyone can still use cutting-edge technology, such as deep learning, for their daily life. I'm proud that Stradvision is playing a key role to accelerate the advancement of autonomous vehicle technology. Thank you for having me, Jane.
Sunny, it's been wonderful, and as well, you should be proud. From all of us here at AutoSens, we want to wish you the best of luck going forward, and thank you for being with us today on the program. We'll look forward to seeing you again at a future conference.
Thank you. Have a great one.
For more great content from AutoSens, visit our hub or our YouTube channel. Just search AutoSens.